Welcome back to the NIF tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll try to learn about how to perform aggregate in the search block. For that, let's first create a search block by clicking on this find icon. Here, for simplicity, I would like to take a data from the authentication stream and we'll take a data with the duration of say last 10 minutes. So here, I'll simply modify this to 10 and click on apply. And if you click on this icon, the data of the last 10 minutes from the authentication stream will be displayed here. Now, if I want to perform the aggregation on this data, then I'll simply click on the aggregate tab. And here, these are the different aggregations that are possible, such as count unique, summation, minimum, maximum, and average, out of which count unique can be applied to any categorical column. For example, here I can see the action is a categorical column with the values such as login, which is represented here. Now I am curious in order to understand what are the different values this action column possesses. So I'll simply select count unique and here I'll pass the column name as action. If I click on that search icon, it will provide me the unique action values that are present along with their counts. Now similarly, as we have used count unique function, we can use the another mathematical aggregation functions as well. So let us try to understand them. In order to work with the numerical aggregation functions, you need to have a numerical column. So for example, here event length is the numerical column that I have, which represents the length of that particular login bytes. So here I will select the type of numerical aggregation or mathematical aggregation as sum, and here I'll pass the column name as event length. This will provide the summation of event length column for the stream is equal to authentication by considering the data of last 10 minutes. So like we have used summation function over here, you can use minimum, maximum and average functionalities as well. We encourage you to try these functionalities on any other data set or on any other column which is numerical in nature. I hope this tutorial helped you in order to understand the aggregation functionality that is available in the search block, and you can use it in your further analysis in NIF. Thank you for patiently watching to this tutorial. In the next tutorial, let us again meet with some exciting new concepts related to the NIF console. Thank you.